Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have already completed the Go India event on this Google Pay account and I'm almost about to complete the same event on my other two Google Pay accounts as well. So if you wanted to know how I completed it so soon and also my other unlimited tricks, stay and watch this video till the end. So this is Prajwal Mukati from Tripitechis and let's get the video started. So the process is very simple. I'm going to create multiple Google Pay accounts. In order to create multiple Google Pay accounts, I take help of the dual space apps. As you can see, earlier Parallel Space was a very popular application at this field. But as the time passed, we came to know that Parallel Space is an application from China and they had some privacy issues. And also this was not such a great application at all. So instead I'm going to show you a new app using which you can create multiple accounts on the same phone. And this application is really good and has very good amount of customizations. So I'll go to Google Play and I'll search for an app called as Island. So this is the application I'm talking about. So I'll go ahead and install this application. Once installed, I'll open the application and this is the interface that you get. So I'll accept their terms and conditions. I'll accept everything. So what this application does is, it creates two profiles on your same phone. One is the work profile and the other is the personal profile. So the work profile and the personal profile will not have any linkage between them. So as you can see, it has already set up the work profile and it also gives you a permission to share the work profile with your IT admin, which is a very good feature. So I'll click on next here. So as you can see, it has already created something called as mainland and island. So mainland is your personal account and island is your work account. So here it asks for apps that you wanted to clone. So I wanted Google Pay here. So I'll clone Google Pay. Then maybe I'll use Telegram in order to transfer the data between two accounts. So I'll clone that as well. Then I'll click on create space here. So it lasts the same way how you install the applications. So as you can see, it has already created two profiles now. One is the island and the other is the mainland. So as you can see, it has created two profiles for you. One is your personal profile and the other is your work profile. So as you can see, it has already cloned the Telegram app, but I guess while selecting earlier we missed to select the Google Pay. So not a problem, we will go ahead and select it now. So in order to do that, go to your personal, because this is the mainland of the main account, and click on island. From here you can go to mainland. Then select the Google Pay application and click on clone here, the first button. So it will ask you to install, you can install it. So once done, you can see your Google Pay installed in your personal account here as well as on the work profile here. So I'll just open the account here. And as you can see, this is my second profile and I have linked to the first profile here. And if I enter the game here, so as you can see, I have almost completed 27 cities in this account, and in my primary account I have already completed 30 cities. So we will see on the third account what we can do now. So I will click on the third account here on my workspace. So it asks for a new login. So as you can see, since the personal account is treated as one phone and your work profile is treated as another phone, it asks you to set up your Google account because it does not fetch any data from your personal account. So I'll give one of my random email addresses and I'll click on next and I'll enter the password and I'll set up this account. So once done, I'll click on sign in and I agree to the terms and conditions. So I'm going to verify the OTP here, which I have received on this phone. So I have verified the OTP now. So this is basically the setup of Google Pay account. So you can skip that process as well. So at this process, you need not worry because you need not connect any of your bank account, because basically we are not going to withdraw money on this account. Whatever we get the rate tickets, we are going to send it to our main account. Also, if there is a possibility of completing in this account using your main account, then you can complete as well and give the gift card to that account. I have set up my Telegram account here as well. So I have my two Telegram accounts now, one in my personal profile here and the other is in my work profile. So I'll open the Google Pay account which we just set up now and I'll enter the game. So as you can see, this is a new profile and it has given 2 tickets by default. I'll click on go. So if I go to your map here and if I zoom in a little bit, you can see I'm in Srinagar now. So the nearest ticket I need is for New Delhi now. So what I'll do, I'll switch to my other account. So this account is on my personal profile. So I'll open the Google Pay account here. So I'll go to my tickets here. I'll go to gift option. Then I'll select New Delhi from here. So now I won't gift to that account directly. Instead I'll use the Telegram because it's the fastest medium. And I'll search for my profile name here. And I'll send it here. So if I go to my work profile, it should have come to my work profile here. So I'll open the Telegram here. As you can see, I have received the same ticket here, so I'll open it and I'll go ahead and claim from here. In similar way, I can keep completing the game. So the trick is very simple here. What we are doing is we have various rare ticket options here in between the path. So when we get a very rare ticket on this path, and if that rare ticket is not present on the original account, then I'm not going to complete the task here. Instead, I'm going to send to my original account and continue my task there. So that's basically a trick for Google Pay. But more importantly, we'll talk more about the island application now. So if you open the island application on the main page, you get an option of all these applications that are installed on your phone. And if you want to clone any of the applications, say if you want to clone Flipkart, you can just click on the application and click on first option, that is clone. So as you can see, now the Flipkart application will get installed on your work account. So as you can see, we have the settings option here. If I click on it, it will show the com.flipkart.android, this application package used. Then we have the 3-dot toggle here. If you click on it, it's basically to remove the application or uninstall the application. So if you click on 3 dots here, you get the settings option. So clicking on the settings option, you will get 3 options here, that is the general, scoped and about. So if I click on general here, you have 2 options here. So if we go to the scope settings of the mainland or personal account, you can see the options here. If I go to scope settings of island, you can see the options that we get here. So that's it for the applications here. So the real cool part is that you need not use or open the app again and again. Instead, you will get everything here itself as personal and work account. So suppose genuinely if you are using it as a work account, once your work is done, you can just shut down all the work profile here. So once you have shut down your work profile, you will not receive any notifications, but you can still continue using your personal account without having any interruptions from your work account. So that's a really cool feature. So using this application, we can create unlimited referrals. We can participate in the same surveys multiple times. The only criteria is based on the referrals or based on the surveys. You have to have a different email address, which is very easy, but you need to have a different phone number also sometimes, which might be a bit hard. But if you have someone in your home who is using like this basic phones, then you can use their phone as well. So basically what you do for unlimited referrals is you share your referral code from your main account Then you log into the other Telegram account on your other account, that is your work account. From there you install the application, and that way, since it's treating both accounts as different accounts, your referral will be successful. Also, in order to participate on the same service, you can use the Google Chrome or other browsers that are installed on the work profile as well as on your personal profile. So that's it guys for this video. So I wanted to make a very short video on how to use the Island application. Since the parallel space application became banned, many people are not aware of the best alternative that is available for dual space applications. So as per my opinion, this is the best application that is available in space of parallel space. Using this application, you can continue to enjoy unlimited referrals, take multiple surveys. So occasionally we get offers from Google Pay or Paytm where you can share your Google Pay tickets or other things, and you can earn money as well as earn more tickets. So if you want to watch more such informative videos on this channel and various other unboxings and interesting stuff that's coming up on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also share this channel with friends and help me reach 1000 subscriber mark and 4000 watchers so that I can start earning.